In this video, I'll guide you through how to share your Expedia itinerary so you can easily send your travel plans to family, friends, or co-workers. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to pull up your trip and share it in a way that's simple and clear for everyone involved. First, you'll need to open Expedia and sign into your account. You can do this on a computer, using a web browser, or on the Expedia mobile app if you have it installed. On the website, go to the Expedia homepage and look for the sign-in option, usually at the top right corner. Enter the email and password associated with your account and complete any security prompts if they appear. On the app, open it, tap the account or profile icon, and sign in there. It's important to be signed in because your trips are tied to your personal account and won't show up otherwise. Once you're signed in, the next step is to go to the section called My Trips. On the website, you'll typically find this at the top of the page in the main menu. Click on it, and Expedia will display a list of your upcoming and past bookings. In the mobile app, you'll usually see a Trips tab or an option in the bottom navigation. Tap that to see the same list. Give it a second to load, especially if you've had multiple reservations over time. Now, from the list of trips, select the specific trip you want to share. This might be a flight, a hotel stay, a rental car, or a combination of all three if you booked a package. Click or tap on the trip name or the View Details option. That will open a detailed page with all of the important information for that reservation, such as dates, times, confirmation numbers, and locations. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct trip, especially if you travel frequently and have several bookings close together. With the trip open, look for the option to share it. Expedia often labels this as Share Itinerary, Share, or something similar. On a computer, this might appear as a button near the top of the itinerary page. On the app, it might be in a menu or as an icon you can tap. When you choose this option, Expedia will usually generate a shareable link or open your device's sharing menu so you can pick how you want to send it. If you don't see a share button, another option is to copy the key trip details yourself. You can highlight and copy the confirmation number, dates, and locations, or use any provided copy trip details option if it's available. Finally, send the link or the copied information through email or a messaging app. If you use the built-in share feature, you can select your email app, text messaging, or another service, and it will paste the itinerary link directly into a message. If you copied the details manually, open your email or messaging app, start a new message, and paste the information there. It's a good idea to add a quick note explaining what the trip is for and who is traveling, so the person receiving it can understand at a glance. That's all there is to it. By signing in, going to My Trips, opening the right reservation, and then sharing or copying the itinerary details, you can make sure everyone has the information they need before you travel.